Hello guys, good morning. So for today's video, we talk about the ups and downs of Facebook and how it succeeded. So before that, I want you to be with me until the end of the video. So before we are going to our topic, let us have some words to define. Number one is divisive, means tending to cause disagreement or desertion, often leading to conflict or separation within the group that is divisive. Number two is algorithm. It is a set of instruction that is designed to accomplish task plus anang mga task ka inyo ha Facebook, no? So number three is augmented. Make something greater by adding to it or to increase something sa inyong mga buluhaton. So our topic for today is all about Facebook. So Facebook is owned by Meta in 2004 as a social network for Harvard students. Expand to other universities and becoming social media platform. So si Facebook founded by Mark Zuckerberg and his college roommates Eduardo Saverin, Andrew McCollum, Dustin Mokovitz, and Chris Huggs. So Facebook introduced key features like Newsfeed in 2006, which became central to user engagement. By 2007, Facebook surpassed MySpace in global traffic and became most popular social media platform. Targeted advertising based on user data, a model that drove its rapid financial growth. In 2012, Facebook went public with one of the largest IPOs in technology history. Acquisition played a significant role in Facebook dominance. In 2012, purchased Instagram, followed by WhatsApp and Oculus VR in 2014, extending its influence beyond social networking into messaging and virtual reality. These moves help Facebook maintain its position as a leader in the technology industry. Despite its success, Facebook has faced significant controversies. Privacy concerns surfaced early, including criticism of its data collection practices. The Facebook Cambridge Analytica scandal in 2018 revealed misuse of user data to influence elections, sparkling global outcry and leading regularity fines and hearings. Facebook has been accused of enabling the spread of misinformation and hate speech and influencing outcomes, prompting debates about constant moderation and social media's role in society. The platforms has frequently updated its algorithms to balance user experience with engagement driven revenue, but these changes have sometimes drawn criticism for applying device content. Facebook role in global events, including its use in organizing moments like the Arab Spring, and controversy its impact, like Rohingya genocide in Myanmar, highlights its dual nature as tool for empowerment and harm. In 2021, Facebook rebranded as Meta, reflecting its shift, building metaverse and focusing on virtual reality and augmented reality technologies. Facebook continues to shape digital communication, commerce, and culture worldwide, with billions of users making it key organization in the 21st century. So thank you for watching.